Hunter Biden's lawyers in California are facing potential sanctions after a judge accused them of lying in a court filing about special counsel David Weiss. Judge Mark Scarsi demanded Abbe, Lowell, and Mark Geragos, the attorneys leading Biden's defense team, respond within the next week and explain why they should not be sanctioned for making false statements. Scarsi, who's a Trump appointee, said their misstatements were, quote, not trivial. The statements the judge took issue with appeared in a request the two attorneys made, in which they argued that Biden's 9 tax charges should be tossed out on the grounds that David Weiss was unlawfully appointed as special counsel. The attorneys first brought this request about Weiss's appointment earlier this year, and Scarsi denied it. But after a judge in Florida ruled that special counsel Jack Smith was unlawfully appointed and tossed out Trump's classified documents case, Biden's attorneys said that new development warranted raising their argument about Weiss again. The attempt to have Biden's case dismissed could now backfire, though. Scarsi observed that Biden's attorneys did not mention how Weiss first brought charges against Biden in June 2023, when Weiss was still a U.S. attorney and not a special counsel. Scarsi said that timeline presented a, quote, meaningful distinction between Biden's and Trump's cases. The judge wrote, quote, Mr. Biden's motion does not engage with this distinction. Instead, counsel avoids the issue by misrepresenting the history of the proceedings. This court has little tolerance for lack of candor from counsel. Biden's lawyer, Mark Geragos, told the Washington Examiner the defense attorneys plan to respond within the judge's deadline and argue that Weiss's actions before he was special counsel are not relevant to Biden's California case. Ashley Oliver for the Washington Examiner.